Hi everybody! Today is my unboxing day. I hope you all enjoyed your Christmas celebration. I'm so excited to show to you what I got, the presents that I got, and both small and what do you think is in this big box? So we will open first. Which one do you think, Lana? The red bag or the white?
I think we should open the red bag.
This one?
Because it looks very special.
I actually can see what's inside. It says here, can you focus?
Yeah.
For someone as sweet as you. So do you have any guess what's in the box? It's actually
I think
a collection of
Aladdin, the chocolate.
Collection of chocolates. Okay, I will not mention where they come from, but thank you so much for the thoughts. So this one chocolate, delicious. There are many different kinds of chocolate. There are milk chocolate truffle selection. So there is, look, can you see? Can you focus? Coconut cream, nut cream, coffee cream, chocolate cream, and toffee. And this one is one of the most famous brands here in Sweden. Aladdin Marabou. Oh, thank you so much. So sweet of the one who gave me this. Toffee. Yeah, and chocolate also. And After 8, one, and this is toffee, a hazelnut and caramel with creamy nougat and chocolate. And finally, we have this After 8. Oh, if you are just here beside me, I would love to share my chocolate presents to you guys. So, what's the next thing that we're going to open? Which color?
The white box, please.
Okay, let's see. So I have scissors here. Need to really cut it quickly. Open. What do you think? Maybe it's an iPad.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Ooh, heavy like an iPad. So ambitious.
What if it's an iPad Pro?
I'll give it to you. Here. Okay, done. Are you ready? I will not mention the people who gave this to me because the others might feel sad that they didn't have any present to me. Okay, done. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
There's
we see
oil. There's
oil and extra virgin oil. Wow, this is good for salad. The person who gave it to me really knows that I love salad oil and olive oil.
This
salad
is
dressing.
so perfect.
Okay, yes.
It's like fancy
oil, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Now,
Yes.
I want to open the pink one. Can you guess what this one is?
I think it's like only, I don't know, a piece of cardboard, I think.
The cardboard.
Oh.
My shopping list knows. Okay.
You can have it on shopping.
Yes. We have pens anyway. Shopping list. Thing that we're going to open is the
Pink one.
The pink one. Okay. It's a bit lighter.
Yes.
What do you think? This one. Oh, I love the design. Oh, a container.
Ooh,
There a tea. Maybe there's a tea inside because I love tea. Thank you to the one who gave this to me. Oh,
There's another one. It's like a trick box.
okay. Yeah, it's just like a trick box. We'll put the bigger one here. And Visa, bigger one there.
Bigger one.
Oh, another one.
Is it the small one?
Yeah,
Oh,
small
cute.
one.
No, that's not.
And another one. Yes, there are 3. Nice, right? So you
Yeah,
can put
like
cookies,
Mama,
tea.
like Papa, Mama, and little Lana.
Yeah. And finally, what is this one?
I think it's a bottle of soda.
A bottle of soda. It's a kind of a Swedish drink that we also like, okay? It's a no sugar drink, not a wine. It's a kind of, you have to make it warm, okay? Not alcoholic drink, just the glove. Ayan. Yes, thank you so much. I'm so excited of the last but not the least.
Yay, the big boxes now.
I'm getting nervous. What do you think is inside? Can we ask them to guess what's inside?
What do you think is inside in this box? Tell in the comments.
It says Secret Santa from Secret Santa.
Let's open it.
Dun, da, da, dun. Da, 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 dun. Whoops. Woohoo! So, here you are. There are 3 things in this box. 3 things, but I'll show you this one first. To the sexiest woman. Alive. Sexiest woman alive. Daddy Bear. Can you guess where it is coming from? I will open it later. I will open this one first. There are 3 things. Can you show? 3 things. 1, 2, 3.
Open the first
Let's
one.
open the first one. Dun, da, da, dun. They have to guess the 3 things, right?
Guess what it is, guys?
Then, oh! It's a huge mug for coffee or tea. Wow, thank you so much. Next, I will open the second one. To my love from Daddy Bear.
Daddy Bear.
Okay, what do you think is this one? Is it a ring?
I think
Is it a diamond ring?
Oh, yeah, it's a diamond.
What is it? Oh,
it's
wow!
AirPods.
AirPods.
The last
but not the least. What do you think is this? I'm getting nervous.
I think
it's a microphone.
Yeah, I think it's a microphone.
Because I wish for a microphone. Okay, I will not read it again.
Yeah. Maybe
Ooh, what is this?
it's just a box.
It's just a box? It's shaking.
Open it.
Wait.
Open the box.
Shaking.
I think
Then
it's a
can you
microphone.
guess?
I think still it's a microphone.
Making me nervous. Like, for real? For real? What is this?
This is an iPhone 11 Pro.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I just told you and Papa that I wish to have it. Really?
Yeah, that's just
Can I
brand
open?
new. Now let's open the iPhone.
Let's unbox the iPhone. Is it really?
Satisfying.
Maybe this is just a box.
Nice.
Ooh.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, I have. I thought it was just a box. Really? Oh, I don't know how to use this one.
I know.
yet.
I know how
Okay.
to.
Here you are. Take a photo. So it has these accessories. How does the iPhone 11 look like?
It
Lana?
looks like this.
Ah, it has 3 cameras.
And then-
we can peel it later, yeah.
It's so satisfying when you take it off. I've seen it on YouTube. It's super satisfying.
So, thank you so much for joining us in our unboxing. Thank you also, Lord, for the blessings this year. And we claim for more blessings and good health in the coming years ahead. Unboxing our Toffee chocolate. Nougat and chocolate. There. Looks yum. I bite it and there's something inside. Nougat and nuts. It's hazelnut. Unboxing our first chocolate after 8. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and then black chocolate to square, And it's minty. We can break it like this so you can see inside. There, minty. Yummy?
Yummy.
Yum. Good.